Yeah, man. I started recording, by the way, man. We're good to go.
Where are you based out of?
Dude, I was born, brought up in Mumbai, and I went to Pune to study for a bit as well. But I'm right now in Virginia.
Oh, so because I can understand there's a bit of accent coming, and it's not the fake one; it's just the adapting one. Like you've adapted that accent. You say
Yeah.
right, like I can understand when it's fake because
Yeah.
I have friends who goes there and within a week
Yeah.
they start speaking. So I tell them specifically, please send me voice messages. So I can judge you, dude. I can judge you. But your one is like
Yeah.
you have adapted to that culture. Like you're
Yeah.
not like because you've been speaking to them. So
Yeah. And I try really hard not to do that because it sounds really weird, man. It sounds really weird when you do that because English.
it's coming natural, dude. It's
Yeah.
coming natural. So I won't tell you to send voice messages. I think that's absolutely
That
true.
means a lot, man. I really appreciate your vote of confidence. But you're a funny guy, man. I had a look at some of your stuff on YouTube, and it was pretty fucking crazy, man.
Yeah. So what happens? It's been 3 years of doing comedy, but then I do not have much content. Like have a 40-45 minutes of content. But during January, the CA thing happened, right?
Yeah,
I had written some things about that. I thought this is the only time I can talk about it.
yeah.
And will go. And that's the only time I released the video because I was never prepared to release a video. If you see the video which I have, it just has 3,000 views. I left it to my friends only.
Yeah.
And it was shot in a mobile. So I
Right.
did not have anything. I'm like, these are jokes which will not work after that.
Yeah.
I just put it out. So,
Oh
and then
man.
after the lockdown, I started doing all these nonsense vines, which is getting me traction. I'm loving it. Doing nonsense.
Dude, it's hilarious as hell, man. Even some of the Instagram stuff is
Yeah, all
pretty
Instagram.
fucking it's pretty crazy. So wait, so you said the because I saw the CAA clip and like the crowd went nuts when you kind of made a reference on the Delhi boy thing. And
Because see that comes from like within, right? Because I'm from the Northeast.
yeah,
People do not understand I'm from Northeast because of the features.
yeah.
I had to do that, and like people love it when like someone like, identity joke, but it's not from him, but someone else. So that kind of worked that.
Yeah, it was kind of non-aggressive. It wasn't like you were like making a huge political statement. You're like
Yeah,
I'm kind of fucked. So that was pretty good, man. So you from is it Assam?
yeah, I'm from Assam. Yeah,
That's crazy, man. That's nuts.
I'm not an Assamese. Like
Oh
I'm
yeah.
a Bengali from Assam, but I brought up everything. My culture, like my mom, though she's a Bengali, she has been brought up in a like Assamese environment.
Hmm.
So she speaks more fluent Assamese than Bengali.
Right.
My paternal uncle and all, the culture they have adapted is of Assamese. They just have a surname of Bengali.
Okay.
Everything they do is Assamese.
Yeah,
That's
man.
how I.
So I have some understanding of the Northeast because firstly, if you're in just by the way, if you're in mainland India, you don't have much understanding of the Northeast just because I think there's a weird media corridor, like the media doesn't cover it on purpose, and like it's very political. But because of that, if you're a mainlander, you don't. I had the chance to actually go to Manipur uh,
Oh,
a
great.
few years back, 2 or 3 years back, and that's when I realized. So is Assamese closer? Like is the Assamese language closer than the like? Is it closer to Nagaland, the Khasis, or is it closer to Bengali?
Assamese is more closer to Bengali. Like the script we use is same. Even Manipuris, no, their script is actually Bengali script. Like it's in history, what's done is they had their own script.
Yeah.
They were avenged by few people and they burned their scriptures.
Oh.
Now, whatever is written in Manipuri
Yeah.
is actually Bengali things are written. You
Oh.
speak the language. Like English में हम लोग जब बात करते हैं WhatsApp पे,
Huh.
it's like that. But if
Oh.
I say Assamese is closer to Bengali, but Naga, there's one more language in Nagaland, Nagamese. So it has some aspects of Assamese and their Naga culture. So I'm not aware of that particularly. But I can say Bengali and Assamese are kind of like it's kind of similar.
Yeah.
You can understand.
Yeah, man. Because Manipur is a wild place, bro.
Yeah, I haven't been there. So this is also one thing, right? When you're from some place, you actually do not visit the in and around.
Yeah.
उनको कश्मीर जाना होता है, मतलब अपने जगह में जाओ ना पहले। एंड
Yeah,
आई एम अ विक्टिम ऑफ दैट।
yeah,
हमें जाना है स्विट्जरलैंड एंड ऑल, अरे यार इधर ही पड़ा हुआ है तवांग, आई नेवर
that's
बीन
true.
देयर।
That is true.
दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस।
Yeah, man. Actually, because I've not seen like certain parts of Maharashtra, people are like, bro, you have to go trekking in Maharashtra. And I was like, fuck it, I want to go to Manali.
Yes,
I was
that's it.
like, that's actually, yeah, once you think about it, that's pretty fucking stupid, man. Yeah, dude. So,
How's your podcast journey going? Like 2 months, you have met many people, right? You have sent me a link of an actor.
yeah. So, I mostly just speak to a bunch of different people, get their opinion. And I was looking forward to speaking with you because I saw you do like great comedy, and I just wanted to. And I also understand that it's been 3 years since you started. So, like, how difficult would you say it is to come up with a bit, man? Like
When you start off, no, you do whatever it comes. So how I started is you get inspired from someone.
yeah,
2013 to 15, I started staying alone,
yeah,
and I discovered myself and a lot of things through YouTube. कि मुझे ये पसंद है, ये पसंद है. I used to search for comedy, not stand up, but whatever is comedy.
yeah.
TV, AIB, and all the new comedians that time, like Zakir Khan and all those other names.
Hmm.
I used to see. Then I started watching Russell Peters more. I used to
Ooh.
watch before.
Yeah,
But it's like you get introduced to that culture. I never knew. For me, stand up was actually Raju Srivastava. Great in the laughter
yeah,
challenge, right?
yeah,
After that, I'm like, अच्छा ये होता होगा कुछ. I don't know.
yeah.
And I understood that this is a 60-year-old industry in the US.
Oh, yeah,
Okay. And India में अभी भी 2013 से 15 तक I used to like every day I used to watch and all. I thought someday I'll try. That was the time I was actually searching for job because I was just graduating my MSc. I was doing my 2015. I finished MSc
yeah.
and I joined. And 2 years later, I actually watched first live performance in 2015 December, and I was blown away. I watched 10 comedians, 2 hours,
Oh, wow.
and it included the lineup included like Veer Das, the local comedians,
Yeah,
everyone I know, and I'm like, okay, this is something big.
yeah,
So 2016,
yeah.
I performed at my office just to gauge whether I can. In office, everyone laughed,
That's crazy, man.
but but the point is that was not that was not a reality check. They just laughed because they had nothing else to do in their life. They thought I am supreme.
Yeah.
That I am doing something on stage. हाँ बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Huh.
In 2017, I did my first open mic.
Right.
I got to know that this is an open mic culture and all. And there it went well, like decently.
Where was this?
This was in Koramangala, Bangalore.
Oh,
There's a
Koramangala. Yeah.
Bangalore. Yeah, I'm based since 2010. I'm in Bangalore. I have studied here BSc, MSc, and it's my 5 years work like corporate life.
Yeah.
2017, I tried my first open mic, and I got decent laughs and all. It was not a great set,
Yeah.
and the people there encouraged me ki aur karo and all,
Huh.
and then I got the confidence. But then the second open mic, I failed. I'm like, okay, this is not how it works. If you tell me how difficult it is to come up with a bit, the second open mic I understood. Jokes ना properly लिखने पड़ते हैं.
Huh.
ऐसे नहीं कि stage में जाके, because I just went and so the first time confidence is something else.
Yeah.
You never get that again.
Yeah.
या पहली बार either that is nervousness which works,
Yeah.
or you're just too confident कि मैं तो कुछ भी बोल दूंगा.
I've heard a lot of people say that actually. That.
And it never comes back. After that, I never felt that. I have opened for big comedians and all. That nervousness still stays. Like your like feet still shakes.
Yeah.
Because you perform for 20 people or
Right.
10 people in an open mic,
Yeah.
and you see 250 people staring at you. I'm like, and plus they did not come for you.
Yeah.
ये इसके लिए आया है, जसप्रीत सिंह के लिए आया है, तू कर कुछ.
Oh,
And it's
shit.
a pressure, but then yeah, I met few of the people in the circuit and they helped me how to write jokes, because you cannot. This is a self-learned art, right?
Yeah.
No one can teach you, but they can just guide you कि ऐसे लिखते हैं, या फिर you see someone how he formed the set. That's why I kept writing and all. I'm a slow writer.
Right.
Like in 3 years, people write 1.5 hour and all.
Hmm.
But I am kind of slow. So I'm okay with my space. So I write slowly, but yeah, effective.
Right. But that's awesome that you said you have like mentors and people to actually kind of say guide you.
You can ask them, like you cannot use the word mentor, but there are senior comics. I see them do well, and then I perform something. I ask them कि इधर क्या कर सकते हैं?
Right.
And they help you. Okay, you add this, you take this angle. This is how you write a joke, and all. These things helps. And then they always tell you, please keep watching comedy. Like you should. Saurabh Pant, you know the
Yeah, I know.
comedian,
I've
right?
seen him. I've
Said,
seen him perform.
yeah, he once said that if you want to be comedian or you want to be writer, so you live, eat, breathe comedy.
Yeah.
That's how you get your knack of writing comes. I'm not at that point of
Yeah.
in my career, or I'm trying to be.
Do
Okay,
it.
so let me try. So that's how I can do a 45-minute show.
And dude, 45 minutes is a lot of fucking time, bro. I mean, in terms of joke wise, that's huge. It probably took you like,
It took me 3 years. Many people do the same shit in 1 year. They're supremely talented.
yeah.
I'm like, you're good, but I'm not in the race. I always started doing comedy because I just like doing it.
Yeah.
So that's the definition of my thing. I'm like, okay, तुम करो यार, तुम अच्छे हो, but मैं अपने space में भी ठीक हूँ.
That's amazing, man. Do you think yeah, I think you have that it's great that you're kind of doing it's good that you have a little bit of a fallback in terms of, you know, you have your current thing going, so you can keep exploring comedy and things like that. So that's awesome. And I was actually surprised. I didn't realize the level of the scene that comedy has now, Indian comedy as well. Because I was looking at, because I always followed some of the previous the US comedians. I always looked at their stuff, and even growing up. But I didn't follow the Indian comedy scene. But I think I'm not even sure, you can tell me more. But between 2012 and 2019 and 2020 now, it's gone crazy.
Easy, man. 2014-15 was like the boom when like YouTube videos started coming and that virality happened. Before that, people were doing, but the awareness was less.
Yeah.
That platform. 2014-15 changed the scene.
Yeah, man. Because if you're going, dude, have you ever been caught in a YouTube wormhole, bro?
It's like you keep on, like, it's the autoplay button, right? That's how.
It's not the autoplay button, man. It's the suggestions that get me, bro.
I haven't. See, what I do, I have a thing like before sleeping, right? I don't know, it's not a superstition. I love watching food videos and dog videos.
Man.
My recommendations are like crazy cute things. Okay.
But what kind of food videos, man?
Anything. I just love food videos. How people cook anywhere. Like it can be from Kenya, from Ghana, or from
those guys cooking in the jungle. That's bomb, man.
Right. And I cook also, but not like them. So I cook every day. I'm like, okay, kuch dekh ke shanti chahiye, and then I sleep. Whatever.
Yeah.
So my recommendations are people if they log into my ID, तो तू अपने आप को comedian बोलता है, एक comedy video नहीं है. I'm sorry, guys.
No, you gotta go with what interests you, man. Like, dude, for some reason, these videos have really been like messing with my head, man. If these bodybuilders, but what they don't it's not them working out or giving any fitness advice. It's their full day of eating, or dude.
Yeah, crazy. And 8 meals, 7 meals, and all this show.
And they'll be like $50 like for a week. So for like super cheap, they'll be like 1 week. So they'll go to the shopping this thing, what do you call it, the grocery store, and they'll be going through a lot of their stuff, and it's crazy fun to watch because I don't know why, it's just very mesmerizing. You just want to keep watching it.
It's interesting. But in India, if you see those videos, if you want to see like weight loss videos, I feel you have to richer to lose weight. Like बाकी जो तुम चीज बता रहे हो, those are expensive, dude. मेरा नॉर्मल राइस 40 रुपए का आता है, ब्राउन राइस 70 रुपए का आता है, नहीं खाएगा. उससे अच्छा कि मत ही खाओ कुछ.
Yeah.
I'm like, you have to be rich first and then lose
100%, man.
Yeah,
dude, especially with the whole organic thing, man. Everyone's like, this is fucking organic.
Oh my god, yeah. And it's like such stupid things, right? Everything was organic when it started. You're coming back there कि हाँ पहले pesticides नो, अभी नहीं चाहिए, अभी normal खाओ. अरे यार, circle.
It's some stupid shit, man. Because people are like, bro, you gotta get this organic, fucking organic onions, man. I'm not gonna buy organic onions, bro. Kanda खरीदूंगा मैं. That's how it works, bro. And but you said you cook, dude. What do you like? What do you like to make?
Anything. So usually, I did not have a refrigerator until 2018. Okay, and I used to cook every
Hmm.
day. After I got the refrigerator, I thought I should use it.
Yeah.
I started cooking like proper week का meal, and I used to stuff it in the freezer. कि
Oh,
Monday ये खाएंगे, Tuesday ये
nice.
खाएंगे. US में ऐसा चलता होगा, इंडिया में शायद I do not know.
Huh.
So I'm keeping in. I cook every day. Like I cook the rice and dal or the chapati and dal
Yeah.
every day. Sabzis or if I cook chicken and all, it's in the freezer. I take it out and
Right. So your chicken's in the freezer, but you make like dal every day, things like that.
yeah, dal and chapati, that normal
Yeah,
thing.
no?
है. बाकी
Yeah,
चीजें
because like I still remember because yeah, you're right. Like in the US, people meal prep more, but I was a little bit what do you say hesitant to do that because your mom used to say, "Arey yaar, basi dal kyun basi?"
fresh
So
dal.
fresh cow. So I started making fresh, but I was like, "Fuck it." After a point, I was like, "No, you have to kind of ration that."
अरे करना चाहिए यार, हर दिन नहीं होता यार, मन भी नहीं
नहीं
करता
होता
है
है, absolutely नहीं होता है. And everyone has this one thing that they make, bro. Like fucking one thing. You know, one of my friends told me this. Like that one dish that you like. Supposing friends are coming over, you're gonna cook them.
अच्छा हाँ, that is for me mutton.
Mutton.
Like I can never fail.
Which one? Masala mutton.
It's like mutton curry from my mom's kitchen, and
Ooh.
I do exactly the same. She makes. So you cannot compare my mom's. So I have got people say like
हाँ.
मम्मी की तरह नहीं बना सकते, मैं बना दिया.
Yeah.
Same
Oh
this.
man.
मुझे वो अच्छा. So if you ever come to my place, I get to know कि you are coming, special बनाना है,
Oh.
mutton. Do you eat
Fuck
mutton?
yes.
Or you're a
No, everything,
vegetarian?
man. Everything now.
Good.
I was
तो कभी मिलेगा तो
I was a
mutton
little
मिल
shy.
जाएगा.
I was a little shy about like other meats before I came here, but here though,
Yeah. Even I eat everything except humans because I'm in the clinical research, so
Yeah.
patient safety. So except humans, I'm in for anything. Dude. I can try. You know, if my mom watches this, oh my god, she'll be terrified. Yeah, कैसे?
Oh man, what's the weirdest thing you eaten, bro? Like
I think I ate the snail once.
snail.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah. It's like you have to suck it like this.
Oh.
I don't know what was the dish properly, but I tried it somewhere in Assam only. I tried in one of my friends' house. They got it from somewhere.
Yeah. Oh man, that's nice, dude. That's pretty insane. Was it super? Like, was it like kind of like oyster? Or
Kind of, but you will like you won't like what is the thing? You won't again want to try. Like if that is the last thing you can eat. It's not that मुझे फिर से खाना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Mutton you
Yeah.
can eat, right? But traditionally it's fine.
yeah, man. Yeah, I realized with you, like, cause you're like everyone has every family has like a secret cooking recipe and things like that. Like मेरी मम्मी ने बोला है, मेरी दादी ने मम्मी को बोला, नानी ने मम्मी को बोला, and like it passed down through generations. YouTube has blown that to shit.
पूरा खत्म कर दिया पूरा.
Bro, cause मतलब अभी आप YouTube अगर आप YouTube पे जाओगे अभी तो सब you'll find everything that you fucking want.
Everything, dude, everything. And these videos actually work so much, right? You see the views in
Ooh.
those videos. It's not only me who watches all this. There is this population who keeps on watching all this. Like कोई भी food
Yeah.
video डालता है ना, थोड़ा अच्छा edited one.
हाँ, man.
It actually-
Even a simple Maggie video, like I wanted to figure out how to make like 500,000 views on that. Like who's learning? Like
मेरे comedy video में 3,000. Come on.
read the instructions, guys. Yeah, bro. But that's crazy. So is it tough to kind of switch on and switch off between like working corporate and then doing jokes? Like do you have to like transition from one space to the other usually, or
No, it's not been such a problem for me because I actually enjoy my job. So what I did is I had quit my job in 2017 because I was in a night shift kind of thing before.
ooh,
And this company which I'm working in, I just after clearing the interview, I just said that I need time in the evening.
ooh,
They actually helped me. They were supportive. So I work like from morning shift or a general shift. So I get time in the evening. My managers and all. So I give full credit to this company. I cannot take the name. They will again.
it's all
whatever
good,
I-
man.
They have been very supportive of my comedy and all, and that's how it has been working for me. So, yeah, so I always got time. So it never came in the way. And few of the jokes we actually try in office. because they know that I am doing comedy.
Yeah.
They sometimes see bad jokes which does not work. They say you can use this. I'm like, yeah, I will use.
Yeah.
I'm like, ठीक है,
Oh,
कभी ना कभी. They're supportive. So my company people are
no,
chill.
man. How different, dude? So, because you said like people fucking suggest you, that must be like a huge thing now. Because if you say you're a comedian, like even if you're moonlighting as a comedian, people be like giving you jokes all the time, bro.
Yeah, but they expect you to make you laugh every time. That cannot happen,
No.
यार. मतलब तुम इमरान हाशमी को तो नहीं बोलते ना कि चूल के दिखाओ. ठीक है ना यार, मैं हंसाऊंगा, मतलब नेचुरल वे में हंसाऊंगा. हमें चाहे जोक सुना के दिखा, ठीक है यार, तू बैठ. Not now. I'm doing something. Like HR is like a product you should perform. like, पैसे नहीं दे रहे हो, एक तो सैलरी तुम लोग देते हो, उसका मैं काम करता हूँ, ऊपर से कॉमेडी भी करना है. फर्स्ट टाइम आई डिड ओके बिकॉज़ आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड, दे वर सपोर्टिव. हर साल करो, पागल है क्या? तो कमा थोड़ा सा पैसा दो यार.
Yeah.
तो इज्जत तो होनी चाहिए. एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेक पीपल लाफ इन अ कॉर्पोरेट एनवायरनमेंट.
Yeah.
They just stare at you, dude. They just stare. They do not want to laugh. It's very
Yeah, a lot
difficult.
of it is also the expectation, right? I mean, like I'm guessing people go to a comedy club to laugh.
Yes, हाँ, the mindset is already there कि हाँ मुझे हँसना है. This यार 200 लोग ऐसे ही बैठे हुए कुछ करेगा बोल के. It's very difficult. I've done few corporate
Yeah.
shows, like 8 gigs
Yeah.
and all. It's very difficult to get those
Yeah.
gigs also because market में बहुत अच्छे comedians ही
Right.
हैं. To get that in the, you should also not like quote less, so that the market price should also be. I did around 5 to 6, and out of the 6, only 2 were great shows. The others were, I was not happy. It's just 3 people laughing here, 2 people laughing here. 2 shows like actually told me, okay, corporate thing works, but not always. But in a comedy show, if it's in a club
Yeah.
and all, that only depends on you, how well you do.
Yeah.
In corporate, it's not only the
Yeah.
artist. The people who have to
Yeah,
give you
absolutely,
like,
man. Because you don't know what they've been doing that whole day, man. You don't know if they're fucking. Because I designed trainings and stuff, so I have some context of what you're saying. Because like depending on the time of day, if it's after lunch or if they're at the end of a training program, it's going to be fucking absolutely impossible to get them to engage. I can only imagine what it must be like to get them to fucking laugh if they've had a weird day.
So once it happens, I was in a corporate show and they told me to perform during the lunch time. And they were eating biryani. How do I beat biryani,
Yeah.
man? They're like, ऐसा हंसेगा
हाँ.
कौन? मतलब चिकन खाते हुए कौन हंसेगा? ताली भी नहीं मारे.
Yeah.
It was one of the worst shows, man. क्या यार? क्यों बुलाया? पैसे दे दो
Oh,
यार. And I had to perform because I was not paid until the performance. If I would have been paid, I'm like, यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकता, मैं बोल सकता. But I've already reached there. They haven't paid
Right.
me. And half an hour, 20 minutes I performed. Oh my! I took some other comedians also.
Yeah.
We all bombed, dude. It was so
Dude,
difficult.
that must be, yeah. What else? Because I'm assuming they're gonna have to have been crouched up over their food as they, or if they had tables, or if they're sitting. People usually sit in circles. They don't sit like singularly facing in a direction.
And like, they're facing like this. खाना खा रहे हैं, ऐसे करके और फिर ऐसे देख रहे हैं, ऐसे करके. I'm like, ma'am, chicken छोड़ो, बात सुनो यार.
That must.
And they introduced us. Okay, the HR actually contacted us, and I was not confident that I can perform an
Yeah.
hour. So I took 2 of my commitments that we'll do 20 and finish of an hour. And so I went. He went first, and one of the comedians, and then I went second. So the HR, I told him, "Ki you announce first
Yeah.
once that we are going to have, so the people are aware." You know what he did? He went. We are going to have a comedy show. Please welcome to you. I'm like, अरे क्या कर दिया? अरे यार, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. And it went like उल्टा हुआ.
Oh man, you.
We got paid, but we got.
I mean, that must have felt great though. The first time you probably did a corporate show, because I mean, I don't know if that was the first time. Some like.
That was the second, third, but still, it's initial corporate stages. Like, yeah, I haven't done much corporate. It's difficult to get because you need to have a proper video because your profile should be good.
Yeah.
And I do not even have a proper like एक वो habitat का अगर आ गया ना
हाँ.
पीछे, हाँ ये comedy करता है. That's also now a thing in India, you know. Like if you have a video which is shot in Habitat or a Canvas Comedy
Yeah.
Club, which is
हाँ.
exists. So that validation is there. अच्छा ये comedy कर लेता है.
Okay, so people like see that and recognize that, and then.
Yes, and they also check their profiles, Instagram, how many followers you have. At least Instagram में अगर ज़्यादा नहीं है, your Facebook page should have at least decent following. They check all those things.
Yeah,
A lot of things
yeah.
they check.
Corporates check everything, man, because they have someone on payroll to do that shit.
Yes,
They
yes.
because they have like someone saying, "अरे यार राजेश कोई comedian पता करना है यार एक PDF Excel sheet बनाओ." And they probably make a fucking Excel sheet and then they go through ये हमारे 4 options है लेकिन इनका following.
ये कम पैसे में आ जाएंगे। ये प्रणय है, ये पीयूष है, हाँ, ये हो जाएंगे सस्ते
Yeah.
में। व्हाट अबाउट कनन गिल? ओह सॉरी, आउट ऑफ आवर रीच।
Dude, man. Well, also like, just sorry, I'm asking you right now, but I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. It's Pronoy, right?
Yeah, it's Pranay. It's a Bengali thing, yeah,
Yeah, I
Pranay.
just wanted to make sure, man, because fuck, I don't want to say. I want you to feel like
Pranay a lot of things. It's fine, dude. Anything. Pranay भी होता है। अभी बंगाली लोग प्रणय बोलते हैं because we our E becomes O, right? Like you know that actor in Kahani, Parambrata Chatterjee, the police guy in Kahani. He's not Parambrata. He's actually Parambrata.
Porombrotto.
That's how A becomes O. So that's in Bengali. You can call me.
Oh
Pranay.
man, yeah, but that's crazy. So mostly, yeah. So you have mostly Bengali roots. You moved to Bangalore, like how far back?
Yeah, I do my BSc and my master's.
BSc.
So it's been 10 years.
Nice.
BSc in biotech. So see, the point is, I wanted to be a doctor. I wanted, my mother wanted. Not crack it.
Oh.
Could not crack it. उसके बाद क्या बचता है? Biotech कर लो.
Oh.
करते करते फार्मा में घुस गया जॉब में. I'm grateful that I did not have much options,
Yeah.
you know, like where to go, like BSc, MSc के बाद क्या करना चाहिए. In our country, those things does not have a longevity. Like engineering में हाँ जॉब मिल सकता है. हमें कहाँ मिलेगा? We still do not have a path and all. I just jumped into a pharma job, and I'm grateful I kind of
Yeah.
went into it, and now
Yeah, man.
it's been 5 years I'm in this.
Dude, actually, I think you got on the boat early because that's special. I think people are now specializing and moving away from engineering. Because I don't know how many people I know, like maybe 2 years of like 4, 5, 6 years elder to me, who basically did engineering, like in their bachelor's, and then fucking did their MBA.
Yeah, that's the norm,
Yeah.
right? That's the norm they follow in India. Right? Engineering करो, MBA करो,
And I'm
job
trying
लगो.
to say, and I also like I studied in India as well. But I did a BA, right? And yeah,
And still you know double blind. I'm so happy, dude. तू गले लग रहा है यार
गले
बाद
लगता हूँ यार
में.
वो. So हाँ, but क्या बोलते हैं कि हाँ डबल ब्लाइंड आई नो कि रिसर्च है भाई. It's all in the
Yeah, but so not many people are aware. When I give you a hint, right, about my work, you kind of caught it. I need to explain a lot, so I do not tell them. मैं just बोलता हूँ हाँ मैं डॉक्टर्स लोग के साथ काम करता हूँ.
अच्छा
और कुछ नहीं बोलता. You don't understand.
clinic.
Now people may understand after COVID thing. Everyone is waiting for vaccine. They are understanding what are trials
Yeah.
and all. Research होना पड़ता है. I think now people will be
Yeah,
aware.
but it's extremely like it's a crazy field. Like it's basically like the cutting edge of research in a way, because it's I mean it's a beautiful place to be, man.
Nothing can. Everything depends on this industry, right? All health thing and all. Whatever WHO
Yeah.
says, it all depends on the trials.
Yeah,
And I'm fortunate I'm being part of few of the COVID trials. The things that are happening here. Not the vaccine, but yeah, some other things are being worked on. Our clients are working
so
on
like what do you think, when do you think it's going to end, man? Because everyone's fucking asking that. When is it going to fucking end?
the trials. It takes, according to the clinical research definition, a normal trial takes around 15 to 16 months.
Yeah.
And they are in the second phase now of the one which has been announced that it is something, not the Indian one, the one by Oxford or something. I think it will take time, and by next year, mid next year, to properly say that this is actually working, because this is a pandemic situation. They might release the drug early. In actual scenario, they actually do the long-term follow-up test. Anything else can
Yeah.
happen.
Yeah.
It might affect something else. People are not
Yeah.
understanding कि वैक्सीन दे देगा, बाद में 3 साल बाद अगर तुम्हारा हार्ट को affect हो गया,
Yeah.
they actually do all this and then release the drug. But because this is a special situation, just to save the people now, people can release the drug. I do not know exactly.
Yeah, man. A lot of people said like, at least initially when they were doing the drug testing, at least this is what I saw in popular media, was that basically, like most of the drugs, especially when it comes to like flu and viruses, usually fail the first time around. Like, and they fail like devastatingly badly. Like they kill
Many
people.
people
Yeah,
die.
exactly. It kills the shit out of everyone. So just the fact that they're saying that we want to release it on crazy footing, like a war footing, I'm not sure.
It's kind of dangerous also. But I think they are better equipped scientists. They are thinking something on the
Yeah.
right way.
But one thing's for sure, man, people are losing their minds at home, bro.
Oh, dude, oh, man, तू मुझे ही देख ले यार. मैं तो ये शक्ल में अच्छा दिखता हूँ कि हाँ हंस रहा हूँ यार. कभी-कभी गुस्सा आ जाता है यार. क्या करूँ?
Dude,
Difficult.
it's crazy, man. It's because people are running out of things to do, man.
Yeah, what else you do? Yeah, the first 2 months are
Yeah.
fine. हाँ, ये बनाता हूँ, केक बनाता हूँ. उसके बाद क्या? हो गया भाई. और नहीं हो रहा है मेरे
Yeah,
से.
this is a little bit of a sad statistic. I was like going through the internet. Apparently, in the United States now, the number of sexual assaults in grocery stores has gone up because now like people aren't going to nightclubs and like these places, so they're only going to like the only place where people meet each other is grocery stores.
These are like full-time molesters kind of thing. Right? They are not getting this frustrated.
I don't
people.
know, they could be, man, but people are absolutely fucking losing their minds, man.
In India also the what is the thing? Domestic violence has increased, and even sexual assaults has also increased. Even because people are staying at
Yeah.
home, right? And you see the sexual assaults which are happening nowadays is all the relatives are doing. No people are doing. So these things are. I don't know how people do all these things. These are some things which trigger
Yeah.
me a lot. Sexual
Yeah.
assaults and all, and like it burns the thing out of me. I'm like, okay, if we talk about it, I don't want to talk about it now. Let's keep it
Oh.
chill. But yeah, these things are happening, man. Like in India, I saw that day some India Times का कुछ था. Like even in COVID,
Hmm.
like
Yeah.
wards and all, people have been raped. I'm like, बीमार है वो इंसान. They have been raped in quarantine centers. What else? Like how low can you go?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
उनको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता कि मुझे भी कोविड हो जाएगा. नहीं, मुझे करना है.
I mean, yeah, it's crazy, man. My dad called me. He's like, "सब पागल हो गए, चूतिए लोग." I like, "What happened?" He said, "Because I'm maha mother chod." And I'm like, "What happened?" He said, "अरे ये लोग क्या करते हैं? ये apparently these doctors, these old, like not even old doctors, like regular doctors, they bounced, man. They're not even attending their post because they're scared of getting COVID."
But there's also a thing, right? The other side, the doctors are not treated like nicely in our country. It's being like I have a comic doctor friend also. He keeps on posting. These are things happening. Like ताली वाली मत बजाओ हमारे लिए. हमको चाहिए सामान.
Yeah.
That's the initial stages. Now he's in COVID duty. One of my school friends is also COVID duty. You think it's critical. Like my school friend is in
Yeah.
Assam. I think that's kind of good. Assam is doing tremendously well. Assam and Kerala are doing very well. In Mumbai and all, बहुत difficult हो रहा है लोगों को. Their doctors are not getting paid. They're having 24-hour shift. 24 hours. They do not sleep. Like, 10 घंटा काम करो, 2 घंटा रेस्ट लो बस. 10 घंटा फिर 12 घंटा काम करो. ऐसा है. I've seen videos. 24-hour shift. Hospital में ही रहते हैं वो लोग. A lot of other things happen. And in our country, doctors are less, right?
हाँ, per capita.
बहुत कम लोग के doctors हैं. ये भी है.
So that's insane, dude.
Very painful time for doctors. And in India, doctors are not respected
Yeah.
that much. तुम शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान को बहुत रेस्पेक्ट कर देते हो एंड मतलब वो फैंडम है. बट अपने जो रियल हीरोज हैं इनको देखो.
हाँ, उनको बस ऐसे डॉक्टर साहब बोलते हैं, लेकिन लाइक
बट अंदर से इज्जत नहीं है. लाइक कुछ भी गलत होगा, ये डॉक्टर चूतिया है, डॉक्टर को मारो. अरे डॉक्टर को जो हो नहीं पाया भाई. Does not want to kill the patient. It happened in कर्नाटका में एक जगह में. They beat up the doctors. They burned ambulances and all. इडियट, उसी एम्बुलेंस में कोविड पेशेंट आएंगे. गांडू फिर बोलोगे गवर्नमेंट कुछ करती नहीं.
Yeah, some chuttiagiri. Because मतलब हमारे डॉक्टर तो फिर भी ठीक है मैन, गांडू नहीं है यहाँ, मतलब यहाँ पे कोई सर्जरी पेल देंगे, कोई जरूरत नहीं है उसकी, क्योंकि मतलब कैपिटलिस्ट सिस्टम है ज्यादातर।
Oh, yeah,
तो
yeah, yeah.
लेकिन
This
यहाँ
is happening.
मीन्स इन इंडिया देयर इज nobody fucking like we have most of the doctors I've met have been nice man, they've been great.
Good man, but they're not treated well, and they do not tell all these things. Because they have कि हाँ ऐसे ही लोग होते हैं. Also they are taught right कोई भी आएगा तो that oath, doctor's oath, हमको मदद करेंगे.
Yeah,
I think that's ingrained, like engraved in them. हाँ कुछ भी हो हमको करेंगे. I've seen people man in cases, lot of cases when doctors are getting beaten up क्योंकि patient मर गया. अरे उससे नहीं हो पाया यार, वो भगवान थोड़ी
yeah,
ना. You don't get
yeah. But at the same time, I understand some people's frustration, man. Because if you look at government hospitals and stuff,
oh, man, yeah.
dude, it's terrible, man. Like people are like, I know people who've died waiting for someone to look at them, like in an emergency situation. So that's,
Oh, ये भी होता है.
I guess if you're anywhere like middle class or upper middle class, it's fine. But
Yeah, जो गरीब लोग हैं, जो थोड़ा lower middle class, it's horrible for them. Even if they get COVID, I think it's difficult to survive now.
yeah,
They will die at their home क्योंकि अभी तो हॉस्पिटल में बेड्स ही नहीं बचे हैं. Literally. ठीक है, but कोशिश तो
अच्छा है,
जारी है.
man.
This is a test of humanity and governance.
Yeah,
If people are failing at humanity also, governments are also failing. अब आप कर ले. भगवान is like तू कर, अब करके दिखा. बहुत करता है. ह्यूमैनिटी है ना कुछ, सब लोग फेल है.
dude,
यही
that's
है.
why I feel like that's why you need comedians, man. Especially in this situation, like in this time, I feel like if I didn't have the ability to laugh at this, I would like, if any time,
I think that's also a good thing for me, because like there's something like just I was talking कि घर में बैठ के there's something I can look
yeah,
forward.
man.
So even our shows में we are not famous. 5-6 लोग आते हैं, 10 लोग
Huh.
आते हैं. We are happy कि तुम चारों को हँसा दिया ना बस. That's one thing which helps us.
Dude, definitely, man. Imagine a couple of people just having a shitty fucking day, man. They've lost their jobs. They fucking, they're getting frustrated at home. They're living like with everyone at home, and they're scared. Like, what happens if I do I have medical insurance? This that, and then suddenly they see like a stupid fucking video on Instagram or on YouTube, like some guy making fun or something, and that can be so cathartic. You can be like, fuck.
I agree to that. Like comedy is what comedy is just releasing the
Yeah.
tension. Whenever a comedian, so that's why it's very difficult on Zoom, give them because people are ऐसे chill बैठे क्या है झंडे का tension. Like see when you see a performer like Dave Chappelle or
Oh,
something, you are with
man.
him, and he gets the punchline, and then the tension releases. So that's what. So that also happens with Instagram funny videos.
Yeah.
You can strike the right chord. But in Zoom, no, people ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं यार, कोई बात कर रहा है इधर. अरे भाई सुन लो, जोक आएगा. मतलब आप like sometimes I need to say, अभी आएगा हाँ, रुक जाओ, सुन
Oh,
लो.
dude, that's.
This is also something like we are
Wait, but
adapting.
have you done like a
Difficult,
Zoom show?
I did today only, so there were only 2 people and 5 performers. Okay, we performed for them because they bought the
Nice.
tickets, and they were happy. At the end of it, they were happy. But it's difficult to grab their attention because they are also like, cautious कि सिर्फ हम दोनों ही हैं. Because in Zoom you can
Yeah.
see right, छुपा नहीं सकते कि हम दोनों ही हैं. So we make them comfortable, then they laugh them.
Ooh, that's a tough sell, man. To be honest, like to be doing like Zoom, but just in terms of tension and like getting that release tension, was there like like what are some of the topics that are no go in comedy that you've seen right now?
I think in India, it's very difficult to touch religion and politics. You can do it, but then there is a lot of
Yeah.
backlash. Like you have to be prepared for death threats, and if you're a female, rape threats, obviously.
I know.
And have you gone through this recent thing, Agrima Joshua case? Because joke was not on that person, that famous
Yeah.
person, right?
It wasn't. I saw the joke.
It wasn't on him at all. You don't understand. You cannot
Yeah, and also like I don't mean any disrespect to her, but it was a bad joke. Like the joke itself was bad.
Yeah, we can. It's fine. See, that's not a disrespect. You can find it funny.
Yeah.
You cannot find it funny. तू बोल दे ना, अरे यार अच्छा जोक नहीं है, ये घटिया
हाँ.
जोक था. खत्म बात उधर. मेरे भी बहुत सारे जोक्स बहुत लोगों को पसंद नहीं आते. It was not कि rape threats देने
Yeah.
लगे यार क्या
Yeah.
सोचते हैं लोग. And the
Hmm.
best part about that thing, the only good thing about that is someone from Maharashtra, someone who adores like Shivaji Maharaj, he said that like this was
No, it
not
wasn't.
offensive or not on him. He understand कि आप लोग उल्टा ही कर रहे हो. जो शिवाजी महाराज फॉलोज की ये वुमेन को रिस्पेक्ट करना, आप वही नहीं
Yeah,
कर
yeah,
रहे हो. किसी ने जोक किया, आपको
हाँ,
पसंद नहीं आया, बट आप उनको रेप थ्रेट मत दो. शिवाजी महाराज विल नेवर
yeah,
लाइक इट. That was the only best thing came out from her. I'm like, okay, someone
yeah,
understands. ये भी पर्सपेक्टिव है. तो तुमको अच्छा नहीं लगा, तुम मत देखो या फिर बोल दो. कमेंट करना तुमको है कि घटिया जोक था.
yeah. If anything, people on Quora should be pissed off because she was making fun of them.
And the person who wrote the
Yeah,
answer, he might be
yeah,
frightened now कि मेरे पे तो जाएगा अभी मतलब. And he did not get any backlash.
yeah.
चल दिखा था वो.
They should have actually been mobbing him, bro. Nobody gives a fuck about that, man. Yeah, my point was okay. So in that moment, the joke was maybe not good, but from what I understand, you have to practice a joke to make it good. But if people shut you down before you even like if suppose you go to an open mic, you're trying something out. If people shut you down before that, then you're never going to get anywhere with those jokes.
You have to understand the crux of the joke and the intent of the joke. Like some people actually do offensive jokes, ठीक है, but there is audience
Yeah.
for that. You cannot release it on YouTube because बहुत सारे लोग हैं, पसंद नहीं आएंगे. There is audience
Yeah.
for offensive. You can see a Bill Burr or a
Hmm.
Louis C.K. do offensive jokes throughout their
Yeah.
career, dude. Okay, but ठीक है, उसके लिए audience है. शायद मुझे
Hmm.
पसंद नहीं है, तुम मत देखो.
Yeah, I think there are whole clips on YouTube of guys like there's this dude on YouTube who's just released his crowd work. So he's just released like him shitting on the crowd, like he's brutal, but he does it with everyone. Like he's not discriminatory. He does it with everyone because most comics I don't think they're discriminatory, and it's fucking hilarious, man. Like I like he made a few Indian jokes and they were so on point. He's a white guy, but he made a few Indian jokes because they were so on point that they were fucking funny, man.
Some Indians may be offended कि तू Indians के बारे में कैसे ऐसे बोल रहे हो. Just take it as a joke, dude. खत्म करना
Yeah,
बात. But it's difficult, man, to like survive in this environment कि जहाँ पे सब लोग आपको like bounce करने के लिए तैयार है. ये नहीं करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. There's a joke, great joke by Anirban Dasgupta. Said he talks about freedom of
Yeah.
speech. कि इंडिया में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा है freedom of speech has exceptions. He lists out 8 exceptions. He's like, then it is not freedom of speech. Exception is the freedom of
Yeah.
speech. कि तुम लोग freedom of speech में अगर
Exactly.
exception डाल ही देते हो, then the exception actually becomes freedom.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, dude, I don't think like if you're criticizing someone and you're not maligning them, and let me ask you, like, what do you think is the line? Like, where do you think speech should be curtailed at all, or like not?
No, it cannot be. It cannot, and no one can draw the line. Like who to decide, man?
So,
Who to decide?
so what if?
I do not do all these jokes because that's not my style. But I enjoy all those
Yeah.
jokes, man. I find it hilarious. I'm like, ठीक है यार. And ऐसा नहीं कि it's not कि मैं जब से ही था ना, my upbringing has been such कि ये सब में offense लेना कभी
हाँ.
हुआ ही नहीं. And I heard some about them. और मुझे हंसी आता है. And फिर मैं ऐसा भी करता हूँ. हंसी तो आता है, क्या करूँ यार, जोक ही था ना, वो मार थोड़ी था एक.
Yeah, no, because
No one can draw a line, man. Like
Yeah.
comedy is just about. Like, also know that if you understand the crux of dark
Yeah.
jokes, like, the intent is also to address
yes,
that dark thing.
100%.
कि ये भी होता है. For example, someone is doing a pedophilia
Yeah.
joke, for example.
Very
It's offensive. He's also addressing कि society में ये हो रहा है भाई.
Yeah.
I'm talking to you in a funny manner so that you get to know कि ये सब चीज भी
Yeah.
होता है.
There's this. I want to say I don't know if Ismat Chuttai was female or male. I think she was female. Ismat Chuttai, and but basically he or she wrote a play called Lihaf. I don't know if you've heard of Lihaf, but it was really controversial. And basically, it was a play talking about how basically certain religious groups and like they groom people for sexual assault and things like that. but they were bringing that to light in a very dark way. But now people fucking know about it. You can't be shush when someone's talking about it, making a joke about it.
Yeah. So this art is actually that. Okay, art is a medium to actually talk about the society. You can take it or you can just be
Yeah.
funny. Not talk, just that's your choice. It's like it's not bound that if you have a medium. There are few people who believe कि अगर art है तो तुमको political awareness तुम्हारे joke से करना चाहिए. No, that's
Yeah.
choice, own choice. You have the medium, you have the power, and you want to speak something, you want to address it. You can bring it
Yeah.
on, man. And it's in your way. Like some people say this is not in good taste. I cannot judge that taste, man.
Yeah.
Like someone might like that taste.
Yeah, and just because I don't fucking like it doesn't mean I shut you down, right? What sense does that make? Like it's like oh you didn't like my fucking YouTube video, or you didn't like what I had to say on on my stand up. Don't fucking come, like just
There are people who will always be there. कि हाँ ये पसंद है मुझे. I personally do not like many Indian comedians. Some people might not like me. I don't go to their shows.
Yeah.
They have their audience, man. They are killing it. I cannot tell them कि they are bad. मुझे पसंद नहीं है बस खत्म. They have their own audience. They're doing so well for them. There's also this thing in India, like कि नहीं ये तो घटिया कॉमिक है. तो मौका तो देना अच्छा करने का. एक दिन खराब.
हाँ, प्रोसेस है भाई. मतलब ऐसे एक दिन में थोड़ी ना होता है. Acha, before I go and like ask you further, because I had a few things to say. How much time do I have you for, man?
It's 12, right?
Yeah, it's 12. Yeah.
It's 12 for me. 30, 45
Yeah,
minutes
man,
more?
let's do it. I'm down. सही आ रहा था एकदम. The voice was fine, man. Yeah, so I went for a Saurabh Pant. I think he was filming a special a few years back, 2 or 3 years back. And I think the tickets were really like $100 or whatever in Bandra. Like they were cheap basically, or they were free. I don't know, one of the two. And I think at that time the Modi government had just come into power like 1 or 2 years. So I was like, this guy is about to like throw some bombs, man. Because most of the comics, because I've seen him. I saw one of my friends from college, super rich guy, super nice guy, but he's really rich. He had a separate event for just his friends, and he hired Saurabh Pant to roast him.
Oh man, that's super
He's
rich,
really
man.
rich.
That is
He's
something.
really
right?
rich, and Saurabh Pant fucked him, dude. Screwed him over, gave it to him, and
He's hilarious. He's hilarious. His crowd work is
he
hilarious.
was really nice crowd work. So I was like, maybe like because his crowd work was so good, I was like, let me go for this show. I would love to see how it's going with him. And then when I got there, I noticed he wanted to do a lot more, like he wanted to go a little bit more on the political side, but then he kind of stepped back. 'Cause I was like, it might not be a freedom of speech issue. It might just be that most people in the crowd would like he'd kind of lose the crowd if he went in that direction.
Also, because he is shooting it for a wider audience, so maybe he was thinking कि चलो इतना already backlash खा चुका हूँ अभी थोड़ा कम खाते हैं. So maybe you
Yeah,
never
man.
know. That stress नहीं चाहिए. A lot of things, sir. I adore like courage of Kamra.
Oh
Something
man.
to like. You may not like. I do not like everything what he does. कुछ चीजें are downright. I do not like his all jokes and all. But to have that courage, seriously grill.
Yeah.
He has milked that topic so much. Even now he has more jokes. I'm
Yeah.
like, dude, ये बंदा ने career बना लिया. And
Yeah.
people say that he's not a comedian. मोदी नहीं होता तो comedy नहीं होता उससे. You watch him live, dude. He destroys, man.
Oh
Even without his political jokes.
yeah.
He destroys. But हाँ, because जो बिकता है वो वही डालता है.
Huh.
People want to watch that from him. कहाँ
Yeah.
तो डाल और डाल jokes.
Yeah, man. No, 100%. I feel like even when that the female comedian who was getting a lot of flack,
Yeah.
when she deleted her Twitter, or when she deleted that video and apologized on Twitter and did a track back, I was like, if she kind of leaned into it a little bit more, but I don't know how that would have gone. But I just felt like if she would have leaned into it more, dude, if anybody, it got me to see that video. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. You never watched it before and you watch now. Yeah.
I-
It is a 1.5-year-old video, dude.
Yeah. Some guy discovered it, said we need to fucking fuck her over, but instead did her a great favor for her career.
उसके followers बढ़ गए.
Yeah, 100%. The only thing is, I was like, shit. Like at that point in time, even if you were kind of bad, like some people would just lean into it more, right? Just say, this is who I am now.
कि ऐसे ही है, मेरा तो यही राय है. These things happen, yeah. But when things become too edgy, right?
Yeah.
Like ministers and all are coming to like order कर रहे कि इसको तो मारना चाहिए. It's like this thing with Sushant Singh.
Yeah.
What is happening in India? Like everyone is coming कि उसको मारा गया. अरे वो बंदा आराम से मतलब whatever. Great guy, he died. Whatever happened to him, we do not know. तुम इसको लेके इतना न्यूज़ बना रहे हो.
Yeah.
वो मतलब ऊपर जाके बोल ही रहा है तुम्हारे लिए ही मैं ऊपर आया हूँ.
Yeah.
मतलब तुम लोग ऐसे चूतिया कैसे हो सकते
Yeah.
हो? Let me, I am in peace now.
Yeah.
He is in peace, dude. Leave a नहीं nepotism के लिए मरा है, depression के लिए मरा है यार. तुम छोड़ो ना उसको, वो मर गया.
People are claiming now. So one of my cousins sent me this thing. The people are claiming now it's a murder.
Yeah, dude. I'm like,
Man.
but now his family actually did an FIR against his girlfriend.
Yeah.
That's fine, okay. कि उसका family को हक है.
हाँ.
बाकी लोग चुप रहो ना. तुम न्यूज़ पैनल में आके कुछ भी बोल रहे हो. And the people who are coming, right? They're so jobless.
Dude.
कि तू अपना काम करना भाई.
Yeah.
भी काम करके he kind of became a sensation. Without that also he had a body of word to talk about.
Yeah.
जो पैनल में है मुझे पता ही नहीं कौन हो भाई तुम. क्यों आए हो?
Dude, the Indian thing, the media. So when the elections were going on this year, like past few months back, my roommate and I tuned in and we were checking different, because we were on YouTube, so we were checking different channels to see how the results. So actually for the Delhi election, I think.
Delhi
So I had tuned in for that, and I saw there was the one channel which was one, I think the most basic one was one of these Z, or I don't know which one. But I know there were two channels. One, they were very nice. They were trying to at least report it. They were asking leading questions. Like they got a BJP guy on. They were like, "So does this mark the end of identity politics for you?" Like what the fuck kind of question is that? Like what kind of fucking question is that? How can you ask someone that, and like how do you expect them to answer that question without fucking screwing themselves over? You know?
Yeah.
And then I saw Arnab's channel, dude. Have you seen that?
अलग ही है वो. इंसान मेरे जगह से है. I used to be proud of him. Now I don't identify with him, man. He's gone berserk, man. अलग आदमी बन गया वो.
Dude.
You are pro. It's fine. You can be pro. You can be. But like journalism में नहीं आता है ना. That's your individual.
हाँ. नहीं, I mean, it's not even about your bent of politics. It's just about how the fuck have you set up your show, man. You tune in. Everything's red. What the fuck? Like, am I seeing the show? Is it like, why the fuck is everything red? Why is every basic thing like breaking news? Like any basic thing, someone farts in Uttar Pradesh and they'll make it breaking news.
Yes, dude. And it will have ticker also going. नहीं इसने ये किया. I don't know.
Nah, man.
And they'll have a debate that the nation wants to know why he farted.
Yeah.
No, I do not want to know this. And I do not understand Arnab's thing. Like, how do you identify that the nation wants to know? Like, the nation isn't even watching.
Yeah.
It's just 40,000 people.
Yeah.
You have hired already.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे लोग देख रहे हैं बस.
No, 100%, man. All these. But for some reason, I always found like middle-aged aunties and uncles sharing this kind of content with me. Like on
WhatsApp, right? Yeah.
WhatsApp. Dude, I keep getting these forwards and half of them are bullshit, man. Like about coronavirus, using neem ki patti for coronavirus.
lot of things. मैंने तो पहले ही मेरे पापा और मम्मी को बोल दिया था कि these things will be getting. Do not forward and do not talk about it.
That's actually very responsible.
Mom actually listen to this कि हाँ these are fake. Papa, once my brother, I have a younger brother. He took a video.
Yeah.
Slightly. Dad and uncle is talking about all this. He said Corona jihad and all that. Like, okay, Z News has got into them and WhatsApp forwards has got into them. So, he's like, Bhaiya, I told them and they're actually arguing with me, so I'm just sending you the video. We're talking about all these things. इंडिया में फीड किया जाता है यार ये सब. हाँ ये है. ऐसा होता है.
Fuck. That must be. क्योंकि मतलब अपना ही वो लोग झाड़ेंगे ना, तो दे बी लाइक बिकॉज यहाँ पे मींस दे ब्लेमिंग चाइना, बट
Yeah, that country is to be blamed.
इट आई एग्री डू आई
पूरा तबाह कर दिया
yeah
सब
man
कुछ.
I get like so I have a few Chinese friends and I love them. I really love them. They're really nice people. They take you into your home, they feed you, it's amazing. But I hate the fucking government.
Oh my God, ये तो मतलब सबसे रूथलेस है. और मतलब एंड इंडिया को भी मतलब इस पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे भी तुम मतलब सिक्किम में अटैक, लद्दाख में अटैक कर रहे हो, सिक्किम में भी तुम लोग आगे आ रहे हो, मतलब कुछ भी है पूरा ना अभी तो अपना पूरा वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग,
Yeah.
स्टिल डोंट लैंड. क्या कर लोगे यार.
Dude, yeah man, that's why like a lot of people are like, so wait, you got to hear this man. So apparently China, everyone knows it originated in Wuhan.
Yes,
But you know about the Chinese firewall and shit, right? Like you know that they got the firewall going and things like that. So basically, like they have monopoly over all information sources, the news and all. So those guys believe that there was a group from Seattle, Washington, an army group from the US that came to Wuhan, and the virus originated from America. Like this is a legitimate fucking belief these people have,
wow.
and it's gone completely unchecked. And that's the narrative that
Like, these are like the narrative shared by Chinese people that
Yes.
they are. Oh my
it's
God.
because they control the media right there. So those people like Chinese people do not have
They also do not know what's going outside, right? They
Yeah.
don't have much information because they don't have YouTube, right? I think YouTube is banned or something.
yeah they don't have yeah they have their own thing. They have this thing. I think even you can access. It's called Bilibili. Check it out.
Okay.
BILIB. It's really stupid. It's fun, but but yeah, dude, it's they basically like people end up believing like a lot of stuff. So I don't know if you know about what's going on with Uyghur. They're Uyghuris.
I'm not sure.
So they have like a group of Uyghur Muslims in.
Yeah.
It's
I did not
basically-
know the name. Yeah.
So it's in the group of. It's like I seem to have lost you for a second, man. Oh. So, dude, we were at Uyghuri Muslims, but so it's really fucked up that like basically China is doing the same thing in Tibet that they did with Tibet, but 10 times worse. It's really fucked up, and they're basically persecuting these people, and it's crazy because they have like a very rich heritage. It's like literally like they're a mixture of Chinese and like so they have like both Chinese and like Afghani kind of
It's a unique kind of.
very unique. Man.
Not one that is to continue.
Yeah, I don't know much about them, but I've had like their food, and their food is like it's like having an Afghani kebab with noodles. It mind fucks you, man.
Dude. Oh my God, this will be मस्त यार. मैं तो सोच के लग रहा है कि अजीब कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah, bro. But yeah, man, I just also understand that it's getting late for you now. So
Yeah.
what do you want? Do you want to carry on, or you want to stop like in 5?
Then we can just wrap up.
Yeah, let's do that, man. So for one, you're a funny guy, and I've seen a couple of your Instagram stuff as well. That's killer as well, dude.
Which one?
Dude,
The recent one.
I saw the one that you did on doing Zoom calls at different people on Zoom calls.
Oh, yeah. That actually, that is my highest viewed video. Like because people shared it. Because it is kind of like it's actually it happens. People are eating in Zoom shows.
Yeah.
And I got all those characters and all, and so it got around almost 6K. That is for me great because I have just 500 followers.
Yeah.
6K Pochna is good.
That's amazing, man.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Also, would you want to share how? So currently, like, are you open for Zoom sessions? And I don't know if you're up for like actual shows because I don't think there are many shows now.
Yeah, so because see, if you go to Insider and book my show now that the city thing is not divided,
Yeah.
if you just go for shows all over India, जितने भी shows हो रहे हैं, it shows up. Now, like we are lost. Before we managed to sell 15 to 20 tickets in Bangalore.
Yeah.
People used to filter and according to the area because Bangalore is huge and the traffic is according to the area we used to sell tickets.
Yeah.
Now it's very difficult to sell tickets because Vipul Goel, who's a great comedian, or a Gaurav Kapoor, they are also selling, and then we like there are 70 shows on a weekend, dude.
Ooh.
Which one? How will we be seen? So it's very difficult.
Because each one was
Tonight I had a show, and only 2 audience turned up.
yeah.
they had seen, one of them had seen me before in Bangalore,
Yeah.
and she got one more friend. That's how. So it's very difficult to sell now.
Oh man, but at least you got like it, dude. Those clips on Instagram, the stuff. I hope you keep making that. That's amazing.
Yeah, that's the only thing to get traction, man. And that's also like I do that to make your creative juices continuously flow, like something to think about. Right?
Yeah,
Otherwise, you're just sitting idle doing nothing. That makes you more frustrated.
yeah,
Okay, take a topic and just make something.
yeah. Well, but I really do appreciate that you did that, and I appreciate you took the time out to have this conversation, man. It was really fun for me.
Same here. Likewise, dude. Likewise. And we talked about so many things, man. I thought that I will only talk about comedy. No, हमने तो बहुत कुछ cover कर लिया.
Kafi cover kiya, and it was a good time, man. So thank you so much. I appreciate you being here, man.
So thanks for inviting me. And I love your like the podcast setup and all. Look at me. मतलब मैं comedian होकर मैं एक mic नहीं मेरे पास. ऐसे तो बैठना चाहिए था मुझे, right?
Yeah,
Like great, dude. You're committed to your whatever you're doing. That's great.
yeah, man. It's if anybody's thinking of starting this podcast system, basically it's a mic connected to a webcam. That's what it is. So it's very easy to set up, and please I encourage you to do the same. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for listening, and I'll see you all next time.